C2. What was I going to see? I want to make sure it's up. Okay, we are live. Cool. All right, so today's goal is to start learning Rust. Partly because all I've been reading about is how people are thinking of moving away from C++ to Rust. So that's one reason. This IDE is now free, Rust Rover, whatever it's called. It's pretty sweet. And mostly I want to use it for WebAssembly. I want to use Rust to compile stuff to WebAssembly. So I thought this seemed like the streamlinedest path. So what we're gonna do is they got these thing called Rustlings. It's a project for learning how to program in Rust. We're gonna go through these exercises. Probably won't be all interesting for you, but this is for me. So if you want to watch, that's fine. Okay, so this is the first example, and the print line, they're doing all this garbage. I don't really know what the frick they're doing. So what's nice about this is it gives you examples. So let's see what they're trying to do here. So let's see. Nope. So I don't. So they got this. I don't get what the R is trying to accomplish. Okay, so if I want to do print line, so there's print line and then print line hash. Formats text to a string. So I could do like let string strings lowercase. That's stupid. Or no, would it be on? Would it be like this string? Okay, and then you do ADF. So we're creating a variable here. So format should return format like this, and then this. Okay, like that. That's not a string, because strings are inherently. Well, I could. Well, I guess let's do this and then this. Now it's saying I don't need to. If this is initial, if this. So, oh, that's a string. So this is. Oh, it's so cool. So now I can do print line. Now, I can do that. No. Nope. So I have to do. So I just do this. And then I can run this. Okay. So, okay. Error. Okay, so what is this R thing? Where are we? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that is so... Okay, that's pretty handy. I don't want to read my chat. Fuck that. Fuck. I don't know how to do this. I want to freaking learn Rust. I don't want to read. I don't even... Oh, shit. Fuck. I don't have Rust on my stupid computer. How many electrical devices can I have? That is always the question. You can always have one more. There's some way... Fuck. Let's see. I know there's some way to do this in OBS, but I don't really care right now. Okay, so the question, how do I live stream? That is the real question. How does one do this? There's skills that I've learned, and then there are skills I always don't remember. I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna do this, go to my live stream on my channel, and that should be good enough. Oh. So, alright. Accomplish the questions. Shouldn't you also be at work? You should also be at work. You lazy bum. Okay, so why? This is pretty cool. This is a pretty boss move. That is so cool. Add dismissing argument. Allow. Okay, so what? Format display. Okay, that makes sense. Disables dead code, which warns against unused modules. So the question... In Rust exists a standard library. Yeah, there's a standard library to Rust. You could even specify to not use the standard library, which makes compiling to other things easier, which can make some embedded platforms easier to get target to. Or if you're targeting toward the BIOS, you wouldn't use the standard library because you don't have access to that. What's my question? I can't think of two things at once. I want to know what this stupid thing's about. Why is it like this? What does the R's do? What does R in Rust do? Raw strings allow you to write sequentials of characters verbatim by starting with this. Oh, hold on. So that means I could do this. Just let me do this. I could do something like this. But that, how it, so I can do, okay. So in C, string literals allow you to use quotes. Yeah, so you can do this, but, so same with here, I guess. So now you can quote things without any harm in a raw string. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. So yes, there's a standard library. Okay, so let's continue down this round. So the second example is really easy. It's just print line. Okay, so first real problem in this task. Okay, so in Rust, variables are mutable by default. When a variable is immutable, once a value is bound to a name, you can't change that value. You can make them mutable by adding mute in front of the variable name. Cool, sounds good. Boom, let's crush these. To change the line below to fix compile error. Oh, so this needs to be initialized, I guess. So it will compile, it won't. Oh, interesting. So by default it says, can I make this an I8? Is that a thing? Oh, I do it again. So I can make this an I16 or an IU. Oh, that's cool. Now the question is, so I should be able to get a problem if I do like negative, right? It should be like always. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Change the line below to fix the compiler error. So you just need a number. Choom. Okay, so this needs to be mute. Oh, let mute. Oh, okay, interesting. So that's a string reference. Can I just rename it? Interesting. I didn't know you could just. I actually don't know if I like this. I think that this could cause problems in my mind. That you're just like rewriting what something equals. I think that could be problematic. Huh. Missing type. So I have to say I32. Interesting. So they can. So if I test test equals. Oh, interesting. So I'd have to say this equaled a string ref. I think that's. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh, that's so cool. What? So if I name this a string, does that make any difference? Hold on. What? So hold on. So if I had, let's PDF equals, it's a str. So hold on. So here, this was a string. So what's the difference between Rust, string, and str? A string is a type container for a str that stores on the heap. Strings keep the ownership a reference. The heuristics I have in my head is that string types should only be seen as part of the type is a container for a str that's stored on heap. Exactable. Exactly correct. String is simply a reference and will most likely be seen as. Okay, so this is like a string array, and this is okay, a reference to a string. Okay. So here I could do. I want this to equal ACF. This would say. Can I do that? No. How about if I want this to be str, would this equal that? Will that fail? I don't know. Not entirely sure. So that's something I'll have to figure out. I don't want to spend too much time. I want to speed run this until I get completely stumped. Okay, call me. Yeah. So you want function call me, baby. I'm assuming that should work now. Chew. Got it. Okay. Where's my phone? Put a timer for 45 minutes. The goal is an hour a day. See if I become a Rust, not a Rust wizard, but a Rustian or Rustafarian, I guess is the term. Add the missing argument. Add the missing type of the argument num after the column. To me that makes sense. Okay, so the question is parameters. We have defined. Okay, we can define function to have parameters, which are special variables that are part of function signatures. When a function has parameters, you can provide it with concrete values for the parameters. Technically, arguments, people tend to use the word parameter interchangeable for either variable. Okay. So this worked. So one thing I don't understand is this is this way and this is this way. Oh. Oh. Are you zero? Okay. I was like, that seemed. Oh, so that was before. Oh, okay. Okay. So the color is pretty important. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Because this is gray, so it means it's assumed, and the green means okay. We're catching up speed. Okay, so we have a return here. So this is very Haskellian. Okay, so fix the function signature before. So just like Haskell, you have things that are implicitly returned, I think. Which is this. I think you can still type return, right? Yeah. So return, so this is gonna be I64. Boom. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so fix the function without changing the signature. What is it? This? What? So this was implicit, but this is not implicit. Is it because of this? Oh, that's... Oh, I didn't even put that together. That's weird. That's weird. Okay. I'll accept your weirdness, Russ. That is weird, though. Okay. Alright, what we got? Function. Ooh, what the fudge? Okay. Don't mind this for now. Okay, so these are unit tests. Function return the bigger number. Okay. Oh, I see. Do not use additional variables. So if A is larger than B, I don't even have to
do things, right? Okay, so if A is large, so return the bigger ones. A. Else it. Oh, I guess I do. A. Else B. That's not what. Yeah, I don't know what you to do if they're. Okay. So that should work, right? What? Hold on, I didn't. Oh my gosh. I don't even read the syntax. So you don't. Rust doesn't like that? Interesting. It's weird, yeah, because I didn't even. My brain didn't even notice there was no things around that. My brain's like, oh, of course there's going to be that. Okay, interesting. Okay. Fix the function body without changing the signature. Didn't I already did this one. Fix the compiler error on this function. Okay. So if it's not a strawberry, it's garbage. Do I need more? I can do more else. Else if strawberry. Oh, so no thanks. Nice. If it's potato. Food equals potato. Oh, that makes sense. I guess I can eat that. Okay. Nice. Cool. You don't want gummy bears? So mean. Okay, well, yeah. Animals, habitats. Fix the compiler error in the statement below. So, this is interesting. This, to me, seems not too many returns. Okay, so if... What? Oh, okay. So if animal equals crab, okay. I'm assuming that's the problem.
the string. So this is interesting. So this, if animal equals this, I get it. I just, and the reading it is very odd. Clippy. Okay, primitive types. Bool. Good morning. Define a so I'm assuming I can do is evening. And if it's is morning, assuming that's legit. I wonder if they have a concept of not. Nope. That's fine. Okay, so double quotes. Oh, that makes sense. Yep. To do analysis to examine before claim below with your favorite characters. Try letter, try digit, and single quotes. Try special. There's no way, right? In quotes. What is a char in Rust? What is a char in Rust? It's a 4 bytes in size. What does chest have? U8s? Okay. Okay. So, okay. Okay, I think I understand. So, interesting. So, I wonder, is it hard to work between C and C++ with Rust? Because if it deems char as 4 bytes, let A equal 100. U32. I apparently did not do that right. I need to write this. Oh, what am I doing? So what's an array look like? Tuples. Okay. So I should. Okay, so you want it to be like this. So the type, and then I can say 100. Default initialization. Array in Rust. Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna type. I could like push things on it, but that's stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Hmm. Can I make it equal 0? Hmm. Let's see. I don't know. Don't actually know. Slice type. Okay, so theoretically, if I just spam this. Where are we? What? Oh, I'm on quiz. Okay. Variables, functions, and if statements. Mary is buying apples. The price of an apple is calculated as following. An apple costs 2 rust bucks. Oh my gosh, if Mary buys more than 14 apples, the price of each apple in the entire order is reduced to only 1 rust buck. For instance, that calculates the price of an order given quantity bought. Okay, so you're looking for, yeah, it takes type of apple, which is an on 32, and returns back a U32. No. Did I screw up? Isn't that how you return? Oh, is that because I don't return anything yet? Okay. Hold your horses, gold. Okay, so if apples is less than 40, then apples times 2 else apples times 1. Oh. It's more than 4. Oh, sorry. I didn't even check all. Yeah, that's me. Okay, we're not there yet, I think. Okay. Here, I need a hint here. What? I've done something like this. Yeah, I don't know. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, what do you got? What do you got? We're slicing and dicing.
Get a slice called nice slice out of the array A so that the test phase. So, how do I slice? How does one slice something? Okay, so slices let you reference continuous sequence of elements in a collective rather than a whole collection. A slice is a kind of reference. So, okay, makes sense. That takes a string, separate. Okay, so okay. Now we can create integrated array. What the flip? Oh, here's probably what I want. Okay, so you, so you, do. Do. Oh, I see. No, I see. You want let equal a 1, 2, 3. Some reference. How could you not know? You know this. How did I do this before? Huh? Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, okay, I see, because I was not, this was, okay. But, must be statically inside this. I could do U32, 3. So I need to go 4. Okay, maybe there's someone else there. I'm not thinking. String slices. but this is a number. Okay, so let's roll this back. Let's try this again. Let's try a nice slice equals at A equals 1 to 3. I'm gonna have to do this. Yeah, this. Okay. Interesting. So this is a reference to this, but apparently it still equals this. Fair enough. Or maybe not. One. So it should be 2, 3, 4. Try to do print line. I want to do a nice slice. Do I know what to do? Okay, so I could do. So my question. Let's try this. What? Hold on. I know you. What was this? What was? Let's put this back to where it was. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. The bond thing. So this. So I should be able to do this. This. And also, would this work? Just pull this up for 2 seconds. So I have to go to 4. So it's non-inclusive. Okay. Now, can I do something like? I don't think I can. So that wouldn't work. There's probably some way to like pump all those out, but I don't know. Okay, so this needs to be 4. So it's That makes mostly sense. So it's 1, 2, 4. Okay, what else? Furry McPherson. Destructure. The destructure of the cat tuple in the one statement so that the print line works. Your pattern here. Are you saying should I do let name equal cat dot that? Then age is that. Is that what they were going to suggest? This primitive times number 4. Oh, okay. So what about this guy? Oh, interesting. So that kind of removes him from the wrap. Okay, so what's our next task? So they wanted me to do like this. Name age equals cat. Okay, cool. Okay, so where are we? Here are optional experiments here. So we got a tuple. Use a tuple index to access the second element of the number. Okay. Select second equal numbers dot 2. The second element. Okay, got it. Alright, I think that's my hour of Rust for right now. So, yeah. Cool, so how far do we get? We get past... Okay. Where are we in this? So what did we learn? We learned some basic syntax. What were the cool things? So, the formatting is really intense. So, formatting the strings is really good. Let's see, what other things that I really like? I think that was about it that really stuck out at me. Oh, chars. Chars are 4 bytes. That's pretty crucial knowledge. These are the 2 knowledges I'm gonna stick with right now. Oh, slicing's cool. Slicing. Cool. Nice. Just like Python. So you can do 1 to 4. Do a reference to that. Variable. So that's really nice. Cool. All right. Accomplished. Did it. First day of Rust. Oh. See how long it takes to be a Rustinarian, Rustafarian. 4. We did 4 today. So that's at least 6 days of rusting. Is it? Right? 6, 5 times, yeah. And I'm assuming some of these are going to get harder than these variable ones. Alright. Good. We're sending it. We did it. We did it, guys. We are Rust. We're going to get... What do you get?